So guys, first method, open any browser. So type HP, go to www.hp.com. This is officially website. Then click to support and then software and driver. And click to printer, and guys enter model number, then type model number. So automatic detect operating system Windows 11. So because I'm using Windows 11, so no worry. So if you download different for different OS and if not detect, so no worry, you just click and select which is you required. Okay, 732-bit also there, and then click to update, so it will show. Okay, so this is easy, and this is the basic installations. Okay, and this is firmware, so download this one. We have to basic driver and offline. Okay, offline news only, just click to, if you, this is also firmware there. Okay, click to download. Now this is ready to downloading. Then after downloaded, click to the setup. Now this is extracting data. Then yes, continue. Yes, this is software better features. Then guys, if you know about your printer IP, so click to search by IP. Otherwise you don't know, click to continue, and then wired and USB. Wired mean printer connect to wire your with your switch and routers. So select this. If you connect to USB, like that, this is your laptop desktop and this is printer by printer USB cable, and when you connect it, automatically detect and next to install. After installations, restart your printer and desktop laptop also. Thank you.